I'm literally just testing it out to make sure that the Wi-Fi I'm using is quite good. So thanks everybody who's tuned in. This is going to be private very, very quickly. So I literally just landed. So I'm just making sure that the Wi-Fi will work if we stream off it, which is see Daniel saw that it's the wonderful effort. He's got it. Have it up again if you want. There it is. Look, getting some rest. Going to be in that splash pool in a few minutes. Just got to get a bit of sun cream on. But no, we will be streaming off the channel, the main channel, as per usual. But it's lagging apparently, says Kurt. That's not good. See, this is what I needed to check, if it was going to lag or not. So apparently we're getting some lag. Riaz says you're lagging. Okay, Anvesh shout out. Jack Steels. Luca. Yeah, it's a bit laggy, says Ricky. I'm in sunny Mallorca, that's where I am at the moment, in the United Stand.